Assalamu alaikum students of grade 8 physics lecture number 4. In the previous lecture we studied physical quantities, their examples, measurement, numerical value and unit. Today we will continue the same topic and study non-physical quantities. So let's start our lesson. Before starting this lesson, the objective of this topic is to understand what physical and non-physical quantities are and distinguish between them with suitable examples. This is a topic 1.1 from the book Physical Quantities and Non-Physical Quantities. Now move to the slides for better understanding. Non-physical quantities. Non-physical quantities are those quantities which cannot be measured using tool and instrument. Cannot be measured using tool and instrument. For example, we cannot measure love with a ruler. We cannot measure fear with a thermometer. These quantities are related to human feelings and emotions. Therefore, they are called non-physical quantities. Now let's understand this concept a little more. Non-physical quantities have some important characteristics. First, they cannot be measured using instrument. Second, they do not have numerical value. Third, they do not have units. For example, if we say someone has a lot of love, we cannot write it as a 5 meter or a 10 meter. So, non physical quantities cannot be expressed in number and units. Non physical quantities can describe human feelings or perceptions. Students, now I will explain some difficult words using in this definition. First word is pertain. Pertain means related to something. For example, love and fear pertains to human emotions. The second word is perception. Perception means how a person see or feel about something. Feel or see about something. The third word is interpretation. Interpretation means how a person understands or explains something. Understand or explain something. The last word is qualitatively. Qualitatively means describing something using words instead of numbers. These words helps understand that non-physical quantities are related to human feelings and cannot be measured. Now students, here is an important question. Which quantity cannot be measured using tool and instrument? The correct answer is non-physical quantities. For example, love, fear, wisdom and beauty. Now let's solve the first multiple choice question. Which of the following is a non-physical quantity? Love, fear, length, wisdom. The correct answer is length because it can be measured using a ruler. Next question. Which of the following is a non-physical quantity? Time, temperature, love, density. The correct answer is love because it cannot be measured using instrument. Next question. Which instrument is used to measure length? Clock, ruler, thermometer या balance? The correct answer is ruler. Which instrument is used to measure time? The answer is clock. Next question. Which of the following cannot be measured using instrument? The correct answer is fear because it is a feeling and cannot be measured. Students, these are some important short questions from this topic. You should learn their answers carefully. What are physical quantities? Give two examples of physical quantities. What are non-physical quantities? Give two examples of non-physical quantities. Also remember that you should memorize a definition from the book. Now let's move to the quick quiz. Here is a quick quiz. Does a non-physical quantities have dimension? No, non-physical quantities doesn't have dimensions because they cannot be measured using instrument. For example, love and fear are feelings, so they do not have unit or dimension. Okay students, today we studied non-physical quantities, their definition and example, quick quiz, MCQs, important questions. Homework, solve table 1.1 in your book, write the answer of the quick quiz in your notebook and memorize the definitions that is highlighted in the slide with examples. Students, after completing 1.1 table of non-physical quantities, do comment homework completed. This will help me to know that you have finished your homework. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.